Go Bung, Unraveling Aussie Lingo. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into an Australian English phrase that you might find intriguing. Go bung. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, its origins, and how to use it in your conversations. So let's jump right in. Go bung is an informal phrase used predominantly in Australian English. It generally means to fail, break down, or die. It could be in reference to a machine, a business, or even a person. For example, if a car engine stops working, an Aussie might say, "The car's gone bung." While the exact origins of go bung are a bit murky, it's believed to come from the Aboriginal Australian word bang, which means dead. Over time, the term got adopted into colloquial Australian English and morphed into the phrase we know today. It's a testament to how languages blend and evolve over time. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Here are a few examples to help you integrate go bung into your vocabulary. 1. My computer went bung after I spilled coffee on it. 2. After several bad investments, the business went bung. 3. I hope my old TV doesn't go bung before the big game tonight. And that wraps up our journey into the world of go bung. Remember, language isn't just about communication. It also offers a peek into different cultures and histories. So next time you hear an Australian say something's gone bung, you'll know exactly what they mean. We hope this video has been informative, and as always, keep exploring and keep learning.